I am going to share my experience with you with physical therapy, and especially for lower back pain. So just a backstory.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and I help you create healthy daily habits through clean eating and exercise. Head on over to my website for the products I use and recipe ideas.
So just a backstory. About 2 years ago, I started getting really bad lower back pain in my left hip. It would shoot down to my leg. This was about 2 years after I had a baby via C-section, so I lost all of my lower muscle control, and then I started running on the treadmill. This was during COVID, and I thought it was just runner's hip. And then forward just a few months ago, it came back again when I started doing some speed walking on the treadmill. So I thought I was just doing too much, but then it started happening more and more and more. So my doctor told me that I have to go for physical therapy. So I'm going to track my journey with you, giving you some of the exercises that my physical therapist gives me that should, I'm hoping, help me get better, but then also relay this information in case you're going through this. So this is physical therapy for lower back pain. So one of the things that my therapist told me to do is take your 2 fingers, find your hip bone, and then go ahead and go a little bit in. Now tuck your tailbone, creating a neutral spine, and you're gonna feel that pull right in that pelvic area and release. Bringing it in and release. You don't want to tuck your tailbone too much that you create a curve. It's neutralizing, feeling that pull in the pelvic area and release. And you're going to do this 10 times. Taking a deep breath in and then releasing as you release your tailbone. Staying relaxed in that upper body. And last one. And release. Okay, the second move is you are going to straighten your leg, bending your knee. Actually, let me do this side, because this is where my pain is in my left. Your right knee is bent. You're going to lift it up halfway. So not totally up to the knee, halfway. And you're going to apply that same exercise, neutralizing that spine, feeling that pelvic muscle pull in, release down. Breathing out, lift, and release down. It's that little lift that what he was describing is going to hold. And a lot of times with the lower back pain, what he was telling me is that your lower ab area is weaker. He found that I was compensating by using my hamstring and my glutes for certain moves where I needed to use my lower back. So this is all increasing your lower back strength. And I feel it. I feel that soreness. I feel where I need to lift. So as I'm picking up my leg, I'm pulling in my pelvic and release. And one more. And release. Okay, and the last move he told me is I'm going to take that left leg and pull it over. I'm going to put my opposite hand to the outside, and I'm going to pull it in and release it out. I'm going to pull it in and release it out. And this time, pull it in and hold for 15 seconds. And release. Okay, so those are 3 moves that my physical therapist gave me for my lower back pain, 3 moves for you to try if you are experiencing the pain. Again, it's not shooting from the middle, it's coming from the side. And you know, when I'm sitting down, sometimes when I'm walking, I'm experiencing that kind of pain. And we're trying to pinpoint where it's coming from, but at the same time, focusing on the muscles and movements that can strengthen it so that I don't compensate using different muscles. So I hope that those movements, those exercises will help you. Give them a try. Remember, the thing to remember is you need to slow it down, and the movement is not big. Especially, it's very easy to lift that leg. If the leg goes too high, then you're gonna start to use other muscles. So if you need to, rewind back and watch how high I lift my leg, because I was looking at you, making sure I don't lift it too high, because then you're gonna be using that back, using those abs by that pelvis to make it stronger, all right? That is day 1 of going to physical therapy for lower back pain. Thank you so much for following me. If you can give me a like so I know, you know, are you going through this? Do you want me to continue sharing? Otherwise, here is subscribe so you can follow me on my journey. And then here is another video that you can do to, you know, home exercises. Take them with you. Let's get stronger together. All right, my name is Ashley, and I will talk to you later. Bye.